Ayurveda therapy room will look ideally like this. This is the Ayurvedic therapy bed where people will lie down and take all the Ayurvedic therapy, and this is the Shirodhara strand. Good morning. Welcome to Herbal Walk with Ayurveda Doctor. Today we are going to look at a plant called Chundakkai in Malayalam, Chundakkai in Tamil. It is called turkey berry in English, Solanum torvum, and Brihati in Sanskrit. This is one of the very wonderful medicinal plants which have been used in our day-to-day cooking in most of the countries. And due to the health benefits, it has been included as a part of a diet and a culinary cuisine especially in South India like Tamil Nadu and Kerala. The fruits of this has been taken and crushed and made curry along with moong dal, green gram. That is one of the good potential WBC enhancer. This has got a lot of properties. This is good for cold and cough, and it is good for increasing the white blood cells. Thereby, it is good in cancers. In cancer, this has been one of the best medicine to include into the diet. Also, in a traditional practice in a folk system, we give a powder called Angaya Podi. Angaya Podi is a powder made in Tamil Nadu and given for the ladies who are about to deliver. The main ingredient in an Angaya Podi is this Chundakkai. So, it's one of the potential herb and very good and tasty herb too for the cooking. As we walk down further, we come across this beautiful purple flower. Can you see the beautiful purple flower with spines in the leaves? This is called Kandangatri. Kandangatri, and in Tamil, and Kandangatri in Malayalam. And Solanum xanthocarpum is the botanical name. This is wild berry. This is one of the best medicine for the throat. It is called Vyagri in Sanskrit. Vyagri means lion. Just lion has got hairs all over the body. It has got thorns in their thing. That's why. And this is one of the very potent medicine in most of the medical medicines manufactured in Ayurveda, especially for the Kanta Rogam. Kandangatri. Kanda means throat. It is good for. It's one of the best thing for the throat. There is the fruits of this has been taken and then made as a curry and can be taken, and there is an lehyam, there is a linctus available in the name of Kandangatri lehyam, which is very good for the throat pain as well as for the sore throat and also for the fever, everything. The berries have been taken, even the entire plant can be taken and made decoction and can be had. Thank you. As we walk down further, I have found one of the best and most important herb in infertility. I am plucking it. This is the plant. Can you see the wonderful flower? It is called Or Idal Thamarai in Tamil, Or Idal Thamara in Malayalam. Botanical name is Hydnopus enospermia. Hydnopus enospermia. As the botanical name itself suggests, it is one of the best medicine for azoospermia, asthenospermia and sperm count increase. This is the best medicine in infertility. Oridal Thamrai Churnam is a traditionally available powder which can be taken with milk at bedtime, increases the sperm count, especially for the males. And even this can be taken as a curry. These leaves can be taken and cooked and without spices and can be taken as greens. The fresh juice of this can also be consumed for the good health. It increases the vitality as well as the health of a person. So, Hydnopus enospermia. Since the flower looks like a single lotus flower, so it is called Oridal Thamarai, Hydnopus enospermia.